Hi there, this is Steve from STO N SHO. We're out here at the GMC dealership and we're fitting a 2024 Yukon Denali. This bracket that we're going to fit on the Yukon will fit all the models, I believe, except for the AT4. So that one has, I think, a skid plate on it, so it's going to be a whole different setup. But this one will be a lower center here, 2 factory fasteners that you're going to use, and so it's nice. It'll be no drill, and we'll go ahead and get started with the fitment, and I will turn it over to Mike to get it started.
All right, thanks, Steve. And like Steve said, this is going to be a no drill, and we're going to be using actually 2 factory screws that we're going to take out, and then we're going to put them right back in. So it's going to be the 2 center screws right here. So we're going to, this is a Torque T15 head on it. So we're going to spin them out. And again, we're going to be reusing these. So I'm going to set them right here where hopefully I don't lose them. They're looks like a 4.2 millimeter by 25. That's pretty common for some of those. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the base plate here and pop it off. And so what you're going to do is take your base plate, put your screw through the base plate, put it right over where you just removed the screw. Make sure you start like one screw then the other. Don't put one in, tighten up, tighten the other one. It'll make your job a little bit harder there. And then just once you get them started, I like to spin them up a little bit, snug them down there. So now these are going into a metal J-clip, so don't be afraid to tighten them up. Should never be a reason for these to come loose. Again, they're metal J-clips, so it should be nice and solid. All right, so once that's done, then you go ahead and take your front plate, start it in, get it past the pull pin, push it till you hear the click, and you're done. And there you go. Should take you about 5 minutes.
Okay, make sure from time to time you're going to lubricate the pull pin there. Keep that working properly, and if you go through an automated car wash, make sure you remove that because it will damage the front plate with your license plate on there. And let's get an angle from the front here, and you can see where the factory plate goes, and ours goes right below it, and your license plate will go right on the front plate, and that is a wrap.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10 millimeter socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.